Today we have a 2012 model Kia Picanto. It's got roughly 54,000 miles on the clock and it's the 1.2 petrol engine. One of the jobs I'll be doing in the service on this Kia today is an air filter change. On this model it'll be in this box here, which looks like it's just got these clips that you need to release and probably take this bit of trunking off. Right, so I'll start by flipping these clips off. If there's, oh yeah, same, another one down the back there. I imagine I'm going to have to take that bit of trunking off. Oh, maybe not. You can wriggle it out with it still connected. So there we have the filter, which doesn't look massively dirty. It's got a few bits and pieces in there. While it's off, yeah, it's a good idea to make sure there's no debris in the bottom of the box. Just leaves or insects. And if there is a build up in there, it's a good idea to clean it out. You can vacuum it out or blow it out with an airline. So as you can see, the new one against the old one there. You should be able to pick one of these up for around 15 to 20 pounds. It's not a genuine part, it's an aftermarket pattern. And the same as when you get any parts for your vehicle, just make sure you've got the registration number to hand. And whoever you use should be able to look up the specific details and recommend a part for you, the correct part. So that's a nice easy little job to do.